Hello everyone and welcome to our product comparison video. Today we are going to review two of the best NETGEAR 5-port Gigabit Ethernet unmanaged switches. We will compare and contrast their features, usability, design, and much more. Throughout the video, we will display the photo of each product in each half of the screen. So let's get started. The initial cost of a device plays a critical role in the decision-making process for many users. Product A is more affordable with a price of $14, while Product B costs $39 due to its additional PO feature. Both devices come with simple plug-and-play setup with no software to install or configuration needed, making them user-friendly. However, Product B has an additional PO feature that makes it more versatile and useful for setting up security cameras, wireless access points, and more. Product A has a fanless design, which means zero added noise wherever it is located, making it ideal for noise-sensitive environments. In comparison, while Product B is also a silent operator, it has an additional PO feature and 4 additional Gigabit Ethernet ports. Both products have an industry-leading 3-year limited hardware warranty, which provides customers with peace of mind, knowing that they are purchasing a trustworthy and warranty-backed product. Both products have an energy-efficient design, compliant with IEEE 802.3 However, Product B's PO feature requires more power, resulting in a slightly higher operating cost. Well, that's all for today's video. We hope that you have found our comparison informative, and it has helped you to choose the better product according to your needs. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and comment below with your feedback. And if you are looking for more informative content in the future, then hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.